Before us lies not a mere junkyard, but a colossal urban ore mine. Tons of old pots, pans, and battered aluminum scrap, rather than being buried forever in the earth's depths, are poised for rebirth in a blaze of glory. Behold the immense scale of this Herculean task. The worker stands dwarfed amid jagged metal mountains. Here, no cutting-edge machines sort the chaos. It's all down to keen eyes and bare human hands. The feeding process ignites. Tattered aluminum pots are hurled straight into the furnace's maw. This is a primitive underground smelter, harnessing maximum heat, yet brimming with peril. Witness the craftsmen toiling perilously close to the edge, devoid of specialized protective gear. They confront metal dust and razor-sharp hazards that threaten to slice through flesh. But why recycle aluminum? It demands just 5% of the energy needed to forge it anew from raw ore. These unsung heroes quietly conserve the world's power, even as their labor endures brutal hardships. Flames now devour the scrap in a ferocious embrace. The furnace must roar to 660 degrees Celsius to liquefy the aluminum. Towering smoke plumes carry the acrid stench of burning paint, grease, and impurities. In this suffocating inferno, the artisan persists, wielding a long iron rod to stir the molten mass. This vital motion ensures even melting and expels trapped air bubbles from the seething liquid. Without such manual intervention, the metal block would lack the uniformity essential for strength. Now the once solid debris transforms into a radiant lake of molten lava. This is the skimming slag phase. Heavier liquid aluminum sinks below while impurities rise to the surface. The worker must decisively scrape away this scum layer. One slip and hundreds of degrees of scorching metal could splash, inflicting severe burns. The pivotal moment arrives, pouring the molds. The artisan scoops ladles of blazing molten aluminum, cascading it into circular forms on the bare ground. Each pour relies on seasoned instinct to measure just the right amount. Observe their feet, shod only in flimsy sandals, beside the flowing rivers of fiery metal. The stark contrast between the brilliant streams and the rugged surroundings paints a haunting portrait of toil. These rounded ingots embody new life, ready for another cycle of service. The molten aluminum steadily fills the molds, a mesmerizing display of physics in action. As it cools, the aluminum surface dims from glossy to a matte silver sheen. Why shape them into flat circles? To suit the rolling mills that await in the next stage. The craftsman judges completion solely by the metal's hue. The aluminum billets are now fully formed, extracted from molds and stacked in towering piles. Don't be fooled by their cooled exterior. The core still simmers with intense heat. Hauling these dense metal blocks is pure manual labor, demanding unyielding stamina. The journey presses on. These aluminum blocks return to the furnace once more. This is the annealing process. In their cooled state, aluminum turns brittle. Gazing upon these glowing red aluminum discs being dragged out reveals the true brutality of this trade. And here, mechanical might takes command. The rough rolling mill. The worker grips the searing block with long tongs, feeding it between the crushing rollers. Billowing white steam erupts as extreme heat clashes with cooling oil. Hot rolling not only thins the material, but fuses the metal grains into unbreakable bonds. A rhythmic, hazardous dance between man and machine. The hot rolling persists amid dense vapor clouds. The artisan continually rotates and reverses the aluminum sheet, a technique known as cross-rolling. It stretches the crystal grains evenly, guaranteeing uniform toughness. Once thinned sufficiently, the large sheets are sheared into crude circular blanks, disc embryos. These stacks of disc blanks cycle back into the furnace for another annealing, countering the hardening from the mill's pressure and restoring malleability. Before pressing, each blank is coated with a heat-resistant lubricant. This slick layer prevents the aluminum from sticking to dies or tearing under immense force. Now we reach the factory's heart, the hydraulic stamping press. Tons of pressure crash down, forcing the aluminum sheet deep into the mold's embrace. In an instant, the flat blank morphs into a shallow basin shape. The worker's hands dart in and out with lightning speed, demanding razor-sharp focus. This is the most awe-inspiring feat, manual spinning on the lathe. The artisan leverages body weight through a lever to press the aluminum snug against the form. Shavings fly in a chaotic storm. Friction generates massive heat, yet they lean in with full commitment. Thickness, smoothness, all hinge on the artisan's intuitive touch. The metal screech echoes relentlessly as the pot takes its final, flawless form. The artisan wields a hardened steel blade to trim excess aluminum from the pot's rim, a process called edge trimming. Sharp hot curls scatter wildly. This perilous step ensures user safety by eliminating jagged edges. The pot now stands complete, but it requires sturdy allies, the handles. The craftsman employs solid one-piece cast aluminum handles for the assembly. He drills precise holes straight through the pot's body, threads in the sturdy rivets, and hammers the ends flat with powerful, deliberate strikes. Absolutely no welding torches are used, nor any form of adhesive. It's purely mechanical compression that secures these joints, allowing them to withstand decades of rigorous use. Each resounding hammer blow serves as an unyielding guarantee of the product's enduring strength. Hundreds of massive pots stack in towering formations. Their transport relies entirely on human muscle. In this recycling realm, man's endurance remains the driving force. We shift to the chemical cleansing zone, a starkly different arena. Workers plunge each pot into vats of boiling alkaline solution, steam rising in thick clouds. The pungent chemical fumes blend with heat to forge an oppressive haze, yet this grants the recycled pots their pristine, hygienic shine. Observe this bubbling cauldron closely. This is the true metamorphosis. Violent bubbles signal chemical reactions, devouring oxide layers and grime. Armed only with rubber gloves, the worker must act swiftly and precisely. As the pot emerges, its grimy shell vanishes, unveiling pure silver-white luster. From chaotic scrap heaps through red-hot flames, hammers and chemicals, now gleam these polished pots, stacked with proud defiance. Each pot bears tales of human resilience and resource conservation. It's proof that waste isn't an end, it's a bold new beginning. If this process grips you, hit like and share to honor their labor. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic explorations. Thanks for watching.